Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure. How would you like it cut?
Just a trim, please. Not too short.
Would you like to keep the same style?
Yes, just tidy it up a bit.
Should I wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
Do you want me to cut your bangs?
Just a little shorter, please.
How about the sides and back?
A bit shorter, but not too much.
Do you use any hair products?
Just shampoo, no gel or wax.
Would you like to try a new style?
Not today, maybe next time.
Is the water temperature okay?
Yes, it's perfect.
How often do you get your hair cut?
Every 2 months or so.
Would you like me to blow dry your hair?
Yes, please.
Do you want to buy any shampoo or conditioner?
No, thank you.
Would you like to book your next appointment?
I'll call when I need a cut.
Your haircut is finished. How do you like it?
It looks great, thank you.
The total is 200,000 VND.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.